Hello, my dear students. I hope you are in good health. Now, my dear students, we are going to read an article about Idrissi. But before we start the article, there is a question. I want you to read the question and then read the article and answer the question. And راح أساعدكم هون. I'm going to read the article with you so that you can find the question, the answer for the question on your own. Now the question says, what are Idrissi's major achievements? What are Idrissi's major achievements? Achievements يعني إنجازاته. Now I'm going to read the article. While I'm reading, pay attention to the achievements of Idrissi. Shall we start? Idrissi, famous for his achievements in geography and exploration. Idrissi was born in 1100 in Sabta, which is a city in North Africa. His noble ancestors come from Hassan ibn Ali, who was the grandson of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He received his education in Cordoba and Marrakesh and dedicated his life to doing research and studying geography. Idrissi used his knowledge to make maps and write books like encyclopedias about Africa, the Indian Ocean, and the Far East. He spent many years working for the King of Sicily and made the best map of the world at that time. In his atlas, he used various codes and colors to indicate countries, geographical features, and climates. He strongly believed that the world was not flat but spherical. Idrissi wrote about explorers from North Africa who sailed far and eventually reached an island. This helped Columbus in his journey westward when he was trying to reach India. Idrissi's success is so important that his achievements are remembered even after centuries have passed. Now, my dear students, back to our question. What was the question? What are Idrissi's major achievements, or what are the major achievements of Idrissi? Now, achievements زي ما حكينا إنجازات major رئيسي. Now we know that Idrissi was famous for geography and exploration, and his major achievements as mentioned in the article or in the text was: 1. He wrote encyclopedias, as you can see. And 2, he made the best map of the world. And you remember also his atlas. He wrote or made an atlas, and in that atlas he used codes and colors to indicate countries and geographical features and climates. Now, these are not the only achievements of Idrissi, but these are some of his achievements mentioned in the article. You can search Idrissi on the internet and you will find a lot more about this extraordinary man. See you.